We live in exciting times. Things that were once science fiction are now reality. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars navigating our streets to smart assistants answering our questions in the blink of an eye, AI is permeating every aspect of our lives. This rapid progress in AI can feel like a whirlwind, leaving some of us wondering about its implications for the future of humanity. Is AI a threat or an opportunity? Are we on the cusp of a new era of unprecedented progress, or heading towards a dystopian future where machines rule? The answers, like AI itself, are complex and multifaceted. This essay will delve into the evolving relationship between humans and AI, exploring both the challenges and the incredible opportunities this new era presents. We'll embark on a journey through the history of human ingenuity, examine the capabilities and limitations of AI, and contemplate how we can harness this transformative technology to build a brighter future for everyone. Hold on tight, because the future is unfolding before our very eyes. Humans have always been driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a relentless pursuit of innovation. From the invention of the wheel to the development of the internet, our journey has been marked by groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements that have reshaped our world. Think about it. We went from living in caves to building towering skyscrapers. We tamed fire, harnessed electricity, and even ventured into outer space. Each innovation, from the simplest tool to the most complex machine, emerged from our uniquely human ability to observe, imagine, and create. This incredible capacity for innovation has brought us to where we are today, standing at the precipice of the AI revolution. But to understand the full potential of this revolution, we first need to understand what AI is and what it can do. In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to perform tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discernment. AI systems are designed to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions, often with remarkable speed and accuracy. AI is already surpassing human capabilities in many areas. In the realm of data analysis, AI can process vast amounts of information in fractions of a second, uncovering insights and making predictions that would take humans years to achieve. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI are automating tasks with precision and efficiency, increasing productivity and transforming industries. However, it's crucial to recognize the limitations of AI. While AI excels at tasks that involve logic, pattern recognition, and data processing, it still falls short in areas that require human intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Section 4, the human edge: creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. What makes us uniquely human is not our ability to process data like machines, but our capacity for empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. These qualities are at the heart of what it means to be human, and they are the very qualities that will continue to set us apart in an increasingly AI-driven world. AI can generate art or compose music, but it can't replicate the depth of human emotion and experience that gives art its soul. AI can analyze data and provide insights, but it lacks the critical thinking skills to challenge assumptions, connect seemingly disparate ideas, and come up with truly innovative solutions. Our ability to understand and respond to complex emotions, to think critically and creatively, and to form meaningful connections with others, these are the qualities that will be most valuable in the age of AI. Section 5, collaboration, the key to unlocking potential. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should embrace it as a powerful tool that has the potential to augment our abilities and solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. The true potential of AI lies not in replacing humans, but in collaborating with us. Imagine doctors using AI to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, giving patients a better chance at recovery. Imagine architects using AI to design sustainable and resilient cities. Imagine educators using AI to personalize learning experiences for every student, unlocking their full potential. The possibilities are limitless when we move beyond the fear of competition and embrace the power of collaboration. Section 6. Navigating the challenges, job displacement, and ethical considerations. The rise of AI undoubtedly presents challenges. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's natural to wonder about the future of work and the types of jobs that will be most affected. It's crucial that we address these concerns proactively. This means investing in education and training programs that equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. It also means having open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI, ensuring that these technologies are developed and used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. Section 7. Thriving in the age of AI, lifelong learning and adaptability. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and learn. In the age of AI, lifelong learning is not just a choice, it's a necessity. We must be willing to embrace new technologies, acquire new skills, and adapt to the evolving demands of the workplace. The skills that will be most valuable in the years to come are not necessarily the ones that can be easily automated. These are the uniquely human skills that AI cannot replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. These skills will be in high demand across all industries, and they will be essential for success in the 21st century and beyond. The future is not something that simply happens to us, it's something we create. Let's embrace the opportunities of the AI age with courage, curiosity, and a commitment to building a future where humans and AI can thrive together.